Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs Bundles. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Paragraphs Bundles module, and today we're talking about the block content. The Paragraph Bundles module require two other modules. I hope you saw the symbol to follow. So this one and plus field group plus the paragraphs. So to start in the demo, I want to install the paragraphs bundle block content. So let's search for block content. This one. And when you click install, you must install the default one, the paragraphs bundle. So I'm just clicking continue. After installing that, we should go inside it and then see what's happening inside this bundle. If we go quick, structure paragraph type, you have already the symbol, that's the default. And then this is the block content or the bundle we are demo this demo. Inside this one, the regular field for any paragraph bundles. The paragraph bundle content actually, if I explain it correct, it reference content created by blocks. That's what it is, really. It's if you really want to get to the name down, that's reference content created by the block. So if you go content open, now we have under content, you have content created from content type and content created from blocks type. I always give them the comparison between these are kind of similar structure content type and structure paragraph block types. Those are kind of the same when you click on them, because content type, if you click, we're all familiar with it. You add field and you add content type, and then from each content type you create content. Block types is the same thing. You add a block types, which actually, let's add a block types now, and I'm just gonna call it demo. And here it is, and it has the managed form display, same thing, just like the regular content type. So when we added this one, let's go add now content and use our paragraph bundle content, block content. So I have a paragraph field here. I'm adding title and I'm adding this one. So I need to use the block content. And when I try to use the block content, since I don't have any content in the system, I shouldn't get anything. So let's first go create content and add content blocks, add content blocks. And now we have two block types we can create. I'm just going to create both. So this one, it's the basic. This is just content and save. And this one, it's the demo. And let's save. So now we have two blocks created. So let's go add content, and this one just title. And let's add the paragraph, the block content, and let's see, do we get the demo? I can't get the demo here. I will tell you why. So now we get the basic. Here is the basic. So if I click and I display, save, I should see the content of the basic. But why the demo? I couldn't get it here. So while this one's saving, I'm just gonna go here, structure, paragraph type, and click on the block content. And I will explain to you why I didn't get it here. This one, actually, you will need to always update this one whenever you go on add. If you want to use content created from blocks, you will always need to go and update this field. This field by default, when I create it, it has only the basic block. The basic block, this is the default, comes in Drupal when you install it. But if you are at any block types, just like any content type you add, you will always have to go and reference it here, check it or something like that. So I need to update this field. And if I go to content, edit, now I add another paragraph, block content. If I look for the demo, now I can see the demo and save. Is it that's enough? No, we can go even further. So now I have a block. I can print it in a page, but that's not really what I want. Sometimes I want the block to be printed in a region, like here. And that's where it comes more powerful. So if you want a block printed in the region, you just go add it to the region. Since you create it by the block, all the blocks will be available in this one too. So you go here, let's add it to the sidebar and say demo. Here's demo. Add this one and save. And here it is on the sidebar. So now I just showed you the default without, I didn't play with anything. We didn't touch. So if I go content edit, I did not touch the display button or tab. So let's now touch the display tab and see what's inside it. Just like any simple bundle, I hope you watched the first video. It has the color, it has padding, margin, all the stuff. This is all the default 13 field per much. Those are the default. You could apply them to any paragraph bundles you have or something like that. So text color, let's do something like this to be obvious. Shadow, max width, and save. And you should see, because since we are printing two blocks on the top of each other, one of them is going to be plain, one of them is not. So if we visit the page, here it is. So this is the one I customized and I added. So the idea here with the content block, why we need it? We need to reference content. So if we have a content created by blocks, so the ideal use actually for this one, if you want to add a content and you want to print it in the header or footer or somewhere in the region, you will always use this one because you don't want to repeat it, the content all the time. You want to create it just in one place, because now if you have these blocks printed all over the website, if you try to update this block, you're really going to update it inside content, blocks, and inside the demo. That's where you update in one location and in one place. I hope you like this demo and see you in the next one.